What's up, everybody? I'm here in Boise at my dad's house. Today we're going to be doing whatever it takes to get his 1987 E28 running. It's his birthday this weekend, so hopefully I can get this running as a birthday present to him. Tag along, this should be a good one. So, start and stall, then no start. Doubt this will solve anything, but we found a cut wire right off the bat, so I'm gonna fix that and plug it back in. Still not. Okay. Yeah. Okay, as we thought. Hey! I don't know if power or plug. Don't have power? Nope, I got 0 volts DC at this plug. Go for it. Yeah, I've never once got power to this plug. This is the injector. No. Well, I can test continuity. Well, no, because it grounds in the ECU, so even if I test continuity, it's not going to do anything. Let me flip my pins to the other. Flip it around. Hang on. Yeah, I still have nothing at the meter, so I have no injector power, but the ECU, well, yeah, that should tell me if the ECU has power, so it seems like the ECU is not even powering on. Yeah, the main relay definitely clicks, I can feel it. Okay. Free fire. Next, he recommends checking all the grounds. So there's this main ground here. Then we have our ground at the back of the head. Which is right here. It's right there. Oh. We also have that one, yes. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So I got it in continuity here. Okay. With alarms, so it'll beep at us if we have good continuity. So if you hear the beep, it's good. So we're starting with top row 5.
Is the top row, yep, and then 5 from the left.
Okay. I need this to be on a known ground. So can you hold
the ground?
Okay.
Oh, just while you're doing it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 5.
5 is top row, 5 from the left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. Got it?
Good.
Beeping?
Yep.
Okay. Then you're gonna do light 16 and 17, which are 18 is the very end on the top row, so 17's next to it.
16.
Good, 17's next to it. And then you're gonna go down the bottom and do 19. So we're getting ground.
All our grounds are good. Okay.
To this unit.
Yes. So can you turn key on, and we're gonna test voltage now.
Okay.
We'll see if power is supplied to the ECU.
That's 19. That's 18 and 35, right?
Yep. 18 and 35. Okay. Here you go.
Change.
12.5.
Okay.
And 12.5.
Okay.
So we have power and ground to ECU.
Yep.
But for whatever reason, it's not powering on the ECU. because we still didn't have power at the injector. There's constant power sent to the injector whenever this is on.
Gotcha.
And then this grounds out that power so that the injector actually fires.
Okay.
But there's not even power there, and there should be a constant power at the injector. So this needs like a signal on, and it's not getting that. Because like when you turn the key on, it's like hitting the on button to the computer.
Right.
But it's, for whatever reason, it's not doing that.
I mean, the other ECU's not doing it either. Here, I'll give you the other ECU.
Okay, so we have all the power and ground to the ECU. We have the old ECU in here. Spare ECU, we plugged it in and it fired right up. So clearly something's burnt out in there. The thing is though, 2 years ago I had another E28, same exact car, 87 535is, 5-speed manual, and I plugged that ECU into this car and it didn't run. So I don't know why this runs now. But we're gonna go play with this car now. Turn it off. Let's see if it fires back up. Let's see. First time it's running. Yep. Jesus. Alright, well I'm happy, but I'm disappointed we didn't figure this out 2 years ago. Yeah, this gas is really bad. Got blue smoke blowing out the door. Yeah, well it was. I was just on the startup though. It smells real raw. Gotta get this thing back together. I literally filled it all the way to the brim and then the car never ran again. That was a full tank of gas that I picked.
Start it up.
Yeah.
It's looking good. Bumping the Mercedes. It's looking good though out here in the sun. Needs a wash really bad. Really, really, really bad. Yeah.
What is this? Is this coolant?
That is coolant, yes.
Where's it coming out?
I don't know, but it's leaking pretty good.
Or is
No.
it just clean right there?
It's clean right there.
Yeah, that's right there. It's coming down from up here.
Oh no.
Oh, this is
the
not tight.
The hose is just super loose. Jeez Louise. I'll get you a screwdriver. The joys of working in somebody else's garage. There.
Grab some more coolant too.
Hello.
Here we go. It's making it out of the driveway. Do any of the windows work?
No.
Oh, your circuit breaker's unplugged still because I didn't put it in the
that
panel. Whatever. We'll have windows next time.
Just gonna drive some car wash.
We're gonna get in a collision right off the bat.
It's only got half a tank of gas, right? Usually got some good gas in it.
The octane is doing a good job.
See a flat spot.
Yeah, I was like, something feels loose, but the tires just have giant flat spots in them. Where's the button? Is it in the hole? I might have drawn into it. There's a hole.
Looks like somebody kicked it in. Oh,
Maybe it's just charged up. Wouldn't be the first time. Oh yeah, it's just automatic. Alright, we got it all shined up. Time to go take some pictures. Garage is looking way cleaner. Gotta bring that desk upstairs. But I hope you enjoyed our garage cleanup. Thanks for watching, everybody. I had a blast today getting this car running, getting this garage all cleaned up. We're gonna go eat some steak. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.